Hello everyone, my name is Asmal Husna. Today I am sharing my kindergarten math lesson called Let's Measure Food. My objective is compare two objects based on some measurable attributes. Number two, using a ruler to confirm length measurements. Number three, arrange a few objects in sequence based on a measurable attributes. In this lesson, students become food detective. They will learn about measuring by looking at everyday healthy foods like strawberries, carrots, watermelon, and banana, onions. To start the lesson to get students excited right away, I use a quick game. I will name the food on the screen and students will raise their hand if they have even eaten them. This fun game gets their attention, connects math on their real life, and gets them ready to compare food size. I have the goals for the lesson. I shared this with the student as their top screen missions. This lesson follows a simple step-by-step path. First, students will look and compare two different foods to see which one is bigger or smaller. Next, they will learn how to use a ruler to find the exact size. Finally, they will tell the order and line the items up from smallest to biggest. By giving students clear goals early on, they know exactly what they're trying to learn. In this slide, we move into a quick wrap game called Look and Compare. This helps me to see the student already know about size, words before I hand out any tools. I will show pair of food on the screen and ask them which one is longer, banana, which one is shorter, is orange, and which one is taller, which is pineapple. This quick activity proves that students can see size difference before we started using numbers. On this slide, teaching happens. Meet the ruler. Here I teach students how to shift from guessing with their eyes to finding the real size and objects. I will show how to use the ruler correctly. I'll teach them to always start with 0, mark a very edge of the food, and read the number across using the chart on the screen. I will show how number be bigger on the food gets bigger, which one is shorter and heavier. For example, a bell pepper is only 1 centimeter, you can see, but a carrot is 1.75 centimeters. On this slide also, they will work in pairs with a table partner using physical worksheet and kind-friendly ruler. Their job is to measure the lines under food like coconut, peas, pineapple, zucchini, and cherry. While they're working, I will walk around the room to help. I will assist students who are having trouble lining up and encourage them to talk about math with their partners. On this slide, main challenging activities, which has two different labels to help all learners. I will hand out bags with 2 sets of pre-cut food cards to each table. Sets 1 ask students to use just their eyes to sort cards from smallest to biggest, like going from a tiny blueberry to a big watermelon. This helps students who are still learning how to hold a ruler. And set 2, challenge students to use their ruler to measure the cards and sort them from shortest to longest. This team activity lets me easily see who understands the lesson. I will ask students to take 15 seconds to tell their partners one thing they learned today, like how to use a ruler or how to find a food height or size. This step helps lock in what they learned, and to the end, I challenge them to use these new detective skills. The next time they will go to the grocery store with their parents, they know how to use tools to measure. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any question about this lesson. Let me know.